What's up? Welcome back for another video. So in a recent video I talked about purchasing some Neewer magnetic ND filters for my camera. And in this video I'm going to do something similar, but instead of filters for my camera, I got these Neewer ND&CPL filters for my Dji Mini 4 Pro. So how do they stand up to other brands like Freewell, K&F, and Skyread? First, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. Time to sit back and I'll get into it. So I've been meaning to get some ND filters for my Mini 4 Pro for a while now, but I kept putting it off because I was using my drone for video in auto mode. Yeah, I know, bad Jeff, but it was working fine for what I was doing until I started including aerial photos when it came to my photo book project that I'm working on. So my choices based on YouTube reviews that I had watched were Freewell, K&F Concepts, and Skyread. And I was on the verge of picking up the Freewell filters due to how many people recommended them over the others. And as I was scrolling, I saw that Neewer also made some for the Mini 3 Pro as well as the Mini 4. So I hit YouTube again and searched, and you know what I found? A total of 2 videos about Neewer ND filters for the Mini 4 Pro. And both of those videos offered absolutely zero useful information about them. So part of me was like, well, they must suck if there's only 2 reviews. But then the other part of me was like, wait a second. So far, Neewer has been a pretty solid choice. Maybe these are a dark horse. Maybe everyone is so used to Freewell and K&F that Neewer was never an option. And maybe I could offer a semi-decent review. So here I am. Now, just to be upfront, Neewer has not sponsored this video and honestly isn't even aware that this video is being made. The thoughts and opinions in this video are mine and mine alone. So, these are the Neewer ND and CPL filter set for the Dji Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro. Now, I've already opened and used these, but for the video's sake, I wanted to unbox them for you and show you what actually comes in the box. So, let's just open this guy up. So, as you can tell, there's not really a whole lot. We have this cool little plastic case with the filters inside, little instruction booklet, and a Neewer cloth. That's it. So these filters, there's an ND8, ND16, 32, 64, CPL filter, and a UV filter. Plus, all the NDs have CPLs on them as well. So right out of the gate, as soon as I popped one of these onto my drone, I saw a huge difference. But for me to sit here and tell you about them isn't quite enough at this point. So I put together a bit of footage flying around in an abandoned schoolhouse and a wildlife overlook in the desert. So as you can see, these ND filters do a great job. There's no loss of quality, and I kind of kick myself for hesitating for so long. But if I hadn't, I may have ended up with a different brand, and I may not be as satisfied. Now, I haven't used any other brand of filters for my drones, so I have no basis for comparison when it comes to these. But having said that, I've used bad ND filters on my camera, so I know the difference between bad and good. And these, in my opinion, are damn good. It brought out the colors, increased the contrast, and just made my footage look that much better. So once again, Neewer, bravo, you nailed it. So let me know down in the comments if you guys have used these and what your thoughts are on them, or if you prefer another brand and why. I'd like to hear your thoughts and your opinions. Again, Neewer has no input on this video and has never had input on any products of theirs that I've used. That being said though, if someone from Neewer happens to come across this video, hit a dude up. Be happy to work with you. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell to be alerted of new videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com for photo prints, drone photos, and my newly released Lightroom preset pack. That pack contains 13 presets that I personally use every day. It's only $10 and it helps me out and it helps to keep the channel growing. So until next time, get out there and shoot, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.